Hi everyone, I'm Amanda at the Vermilion Public Library, and this week is Children's Book Week. We are celebrating with a couple different things, one of them being this story time is a little special. We have some extra guests that will pop up maybe around here during this story time, so keep an eye out for that. We also have story time kits available that go along with this specific story that we're reading. They'll be available curbside pickup, so if you step into the library, they'll be over with the books. Come and pick one up. And then also we have a special event going on downtown called the Children's Book Hunt. So check out our website or Facebook for more information on that. It's a fun family activity for kids of all ages. So let's get started with the book. We are reading Eric Carle, From Head to Toe. And this book has a lot of great movements in it, lots of animals moving lots of ways. And to help illustrate some of these movements, I have some extra people here with me, and they are going to show us the movements too. So we hope that you make some space around you and do these movements along with the animals and our library staff, and we hope you have fun. From head to toe. There's his head, and there's his toe. I am a penguin, and I turn my head. Can you do it? Can you turn your head at home? I can do it. I'm a giraffe and I bend my neck. Look at this long neck. Can you do it? I can do it. There he is, bending his neck. I am a buffalo and I raise my shoulders. Can you do it? I can do it. What animal is this? Can you tell? It's a monkey. He says, I am a monkey and I wave my arms. Can you do it? I can do it. I am a seal and I clap my hands. Can you do it? Can you clap your hands? I can do it. This is the picture from the front. It's a gorilla. He says, I am a gorilla and I thump my chest. Can you do it? Can you thump your chest? I can do it. I am a cat and I arch my back. Can you do it? Here's the cat's arching her back. I can do it. I am a crocodile and I wriggle my hips. Can you do it? I can do it. I am a camel and I bend my knees. Can you do it? You bend your knees? There she is, she's bending her knees. I can do it. I am a donkey and I kick my legs. Can you do it? This one's a little tricky. You put your hands on the ground and kick your legs out. I can do it. I am an elephant and I stomp my foot. Can you do it? She's stomping her foot. I can do it. I am I, and I wiggle my toe. Can you do it? You wiggle your toe. There's a parrot wiggling his toe. I can do it. I can do it. I hope you did those actions along with us. This book has a lot of great illustrations, and the kit that you can pick up at the library has an art project that kind of goes along with this. It has some fun little games that you can play to build on some of these movements and different things about animals. We hope you enjoy the story time and seeing some extra library faces today, and we hope you come in and enjoy that kit. We will see you guys next time. Bye.